Mike's friend always used to cancel their plans on him, and he thought that he was being rejected because his friend kept canceling. He thought that his friend didn't like him, but in actual fact, the problem wasn't his friend, but it was actually Mike, because he thought that every single time someone didn't do what he wanted to do, that was a form of rejection. He didn't know that it was actually rooted in his past. The moment that he realized that saying no is not rejection and reframing and understanding that what others say or do around you does not have to affect how you feel about yourself, changed everything for him. And it also helped Mike to become a better friend. So, at the end of the day, you choose your feelings. Don't worry, I've got something really cool in the comment section. Go grab my free challenge and see how you can change your life.